Hello, ladies and gentlemen. My name's Pat, and this is my assistant Carter here. Now, if you're anything like me, you want to get ready for the holidays, the first thing you do is you want to pull out that fart machine and make sure it's in good working condition. Because you're going to have guests and company over. And
if you want to prank people, use this fart machine.
Exactly, Carter. Now, we're working now with the remote-controlled fart machine. It's the model HD207. It's FCC compliant, so there's no issues there.
And if your parents are watching this, then you're gonna know how to use a fart machine.
Good point, Carter. Good point. So I pulled mine out. It's been sitting there for the year since last year, the holidays. And what happens, Carter, when you go and press that button? Nothing. Try again. All right, so the first thing you want to do when you have that problem is, and again, the pressure's on because you've got your Christmas gatherings, just a couple days. The first thing you want to do is check the batteries. Right, Carter?
Yep.
Okay. So take the fart machine, turn it backwards, and you'll see the battery cover here. Okay. Now, just to save some time, there is a little screw that is right here. In fact, what I do with that? Carter, did you see the screw?
Nope.
I told you not to play around with that. All right. All right, but anyway, there's a little screw there. You get a screwdriver.
If you don't have one, get one at the merch store.
Okay. And turn counterclockwise until it starts to rise and come out. Okay. Once you get the screw out there, push down. You don't want to push down too hard, but you see where those arrows are? Go ahead, Carter, you want to show them?
Yep. Just pull down like this and then boom. Wait, let me see if it works. Oh, come on.
Well, go ahead. We take that off.
It was easier last time, so.
Okay. So obviously, the batteries have probably gone dead. Now you see we use the top of the line heavy duty Kodak batteries. These are about the best you can get. You want to take these out one by one. Carter, you watch that battery so it doesn't slide off the counter there. There's
Guys, this is our first video, so don't judge it.
So bear with us. Carter, can you get the rest of those out?
Yep. And if you want to know our age, link in the description.
So you see, even a 7-year-old can do it. Okay, so we put those batteries aside so we make sure we don't accidentally put them back in. Carter, put them to the side.
Oh, this side?
Yep. Ooh.
Like this?
That's perfect. And then I just went out and bought a brand new pack of Kodak. I'm sorry, they're AAA. You don't want the AA, you don't want the C or the AA or the 9-volt. These are the AAA. I get the 20 packs. When you buy in volume, you get a little better deal on them. All right, Carter, do you want to get for it?
If kids that are age lower than 7 and you don't understand this, then watch another videos.
Yes, absolutely. Okay, Carter, get me 4 out there. No, they're the dead ones.
Oh.
4 new ones. Perfect. Okay, now you'll notice in the battery compartment there's little illustrations of the batteries and which way they should go in, showing the positive and the negative charges. Carter, you want to put a couple of those in there? Go according to the illustration. There you go. You'll see the spring. You normally want the spring on the negative side. Go ahead. Next one. There you perfect. Next one.
And if you guys don't see this, then zoom in if you're on Facebook.
Yes. Yes, you can also Google us. You can get us on Facebook, YouTube, Snapchat. And
If you have
Instagram.
an iPhone 7 or 6, don't watch this.
Yeah, we're not compatible with iPhone 7 or 6. It's got to be higher than 7. I think a 7S would work, wouldn't it?
Yeah. A Galaxy.
And a Galaxy. Galaxies work fine. The last one. Okay. So now you see we've replaced all 4 batteries. Now, Carter, let's get that cover back on there.
Yep, and then I'll see if it works.
Okay.
Oh.
Now, what's happening? Nothing. Very important. Very important. There is an on-off switch on the side of the fart machine. If you'll see now, that's on off. Okay, in order for this to actually function, we need to put it on. Carter, can you switch that on? Now try it.
Please subscribe.
See, it's working perfectly.
Just press the orange button.
Yes, show them again the orange button on there.
The orange button right here. So now.
Now it also has a clip if he wants to put it on a shirt
Yeah,
and operate it from there. Show them how that could work, Carter.
like this.
Okay, and then
Lower your neck and then press the orange.
now what we like to do is during the parties, I'll place this in my pocket.
Yeah. And then.
Just like that.
And then. Isn't that cool? So, end of the video. Bye. Subscribe.
Now, just one last thing.
Oh, yeah.
If you ever replace the batteries in the fart machine and you find it's still not functioning, there could be an issue with the actual transmitter. Now, it's pretty much the same concept. See that quarter on the transmitter?
Yeah.
You have a small screw there. We're going to turn it counterclockwise.
How much minutes has it been anyways?
Okay, it's starting to come out. Now in this case, the transmitter is working, but I just want to show you the inner workings. There's a lot of circuitry in here, and you do want to make sure, I mean, eventually it's going to wear out. So I just took that little screw out, and I open it up. You see the transistors and the circuitry. And what you'll see here is an alkaline 22A battery. They're a little more expensive than the double A's, okay? But I think you're gonna find the investment is well worth it. CVS, Rite Aid, I think even Wawa carries these.
Nah,
No, not Wawa?
I don't know. I haven't seen them.
I think Walgreens.
Yeah, Walgreens.
Okay, so that's just a little extra bit of information here. So we're going to put that back on.
We're gonna zoom.
And let's see.
I wonder how much subscribers are gonna be for this video.
Okay. You don't want to lose these screws. They're very small. They're very easy to misplace.
Yep.
Get it back in there. Oh,
I wish
I'm having a little problem here, Carter. You want to give it a try?
Yeah.
I'll hold it and you hold it. There we go. It's always good to have a helper here with you. You don't want to try this on your own.
Oh, and do not try this at home if you're with a grandma, grandpa.
Yeah, because they kind of yell and stuff.
If they have a cane, yeah. Because what if the screw dropped on there and they trip?
Yeah, they could trip. Yeah. Watch out for the elderly. If there's something on the floor, they're bound to trip on it. So you definitely don't want to have any accidents.
So ask your parents for permission.
Ask, most important, you ask permission, okay, from your parents or whoever your legal guardian is at the time. Okay, Carter, give it a try now. Let's see. I think we're ready to go. There we go. Oh, we're ready for the holidays. All right, Carter. Yeah. Subscribe, and we'll have more videos for you in the near future. Thank you for watching.
Yep, in a few months. Okay, bye.